Alright, so now that you are mastering Microsoft Excel, I should really tell you one thing early on, and that is you would really enjoy working on Microsoft Excel if you are using keyboard shortcuts instead of the computer mouse. So by using keyboard shortcuts, you can really speed up your work. And the keyboard shortcuts are really simple. You won't have to memorize a lot of shortcuts, and that is what we are going to learn in this particular lecture. So this particular lecture is going to be a complete masterclass of Excel keyboard shortcuts. So for the purpose of demonstration, I'm going to use this keyboard shortcut here, the on-screen keyboard here. And first of all, let us begin by selecting the top row here, and with using our own previous keyboard shortcut, that is Control Shift and this arrow here, you will select the top row. And now what I'm going to do is where this master class begins. So I will press Alt key on my keyboard. I'll have to press it one more time. You will only press once in your keyboard. I was using this keyboard here and I had to press twice, but you will only press one. And now you will see that Excel has given some labels to the top toolbar here, and this is basically alphabetical label. So if I press this particular label, I can quickly select any of the menu here. So for example, if I press A here, you will see that Excel has moved me to the toolbar of data, and all the functions that are available in data are accessible using my keyboard. So you can see that this function can be accessed using E on my keyboard. This filter can be accessed using T on my keyboard, but for now I have to go back to my home tab. So I will go back, I will press Alt key, and I will press Alt key again to go back to this, and I will press H to go back to home. And now you can see that I can access all my functions here using the keyboard shortcuts. So for example, to bold my text, I have to press 1 on my keyboard. Let's do it. So you can see that the data that was selected, that has been bolded because I pressed 1 on my keyboard, and that was the shortcut to bold the text. Now I have to do some more functions. I have to show you some more functions. I will press Alt again and to go to my shortcuts bar here again, and I will press H one more time, and this time I'm going to press 2 to make it italic. So I will press 2 here, and you can see that my text has been given an italic format. And just to show you one more feature using this keyboard shortcut, I will press Alt again, I will press H to go back to the home menu, and I will press H to go back to the colors tab, and I will press H here, and you will see that the colors tab will open. And now I'm using the cursor on my keyboard to select the color that I want. So I will select this standard blue color here, or maybe this one, and I will press enter, and you can see that Excel has quickly colored my selected area. So this way you can almost do anything using your keyboard on your Excel, and the good thing about that is you even don't have to remember the Excel shortcuts for this particular type of shortcuts.